Part 2.
Who are you gonna post it for?
This is part 2 from the other video.
You gonna post it? You gonna post it?
Yeah, because I haven't posted it yet.
Then, if somebody sees this, then,
Okay guys, if this gets to 10k subscribers, I mean, just at least 50 likes, then I actually might let Amira do my makeup.
no way.
Yes.
You actually won't let me do that because I'm
I
bad
would.
at makeup.
Go?
I don't
It's a
know.
challenge.
I don't know your foundation.
Does your mom even, does your granny even have makeup?
Let's see in the bathroom. And there's no white color for you.
Doesn't matter as long as it's makeup.
It's black.
Just give us 10 minutes. Okay, so it backfired, so we're not gonna use makeup.
It's a comb!
Let's be best. God, look pretty like this. My hair looks oily.
Let me do your hair.
I actually don't like it to look straight on my hair.
How do I get short in
I cut my hair at age 6. The boys cut. Wolf cut.
the way granny says it's just straight out of nowhere. That's all I heard from nowhere. Go, we acting like we're idiots.
Mystery. I am mystery.
Ah! What are you showing your eyes? Remember that?
I swear. No, so you can't think.
Oh, you can make glitter on.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop my. Let's just forget about that. Let's have some going to
No, we just turned into silence. I don't know.
Can I do my makeup?
Finger. Oh, it's shiny as hell. Oh my god, it'll be okay.
Etc.
That's your makeup. Oh, why do you smell like a bar?
I want makeup on. Come, let's go. Come.
Why did you for it?
Why did you act like those are the products?
Yes, no.
Nobody does.
What if I actually open it?
That's fine. What the hell even is that?
Their food. Don't worry, it's nothing wrong. Amazing. No way.
What happened to the foundation?
The foundation is gonna be at your palm. I'm just kidding. It's gonna be in your eyes.
Is that the foundation?
Yeah. Why is your forehead so red? Your forehead is so red.
I'm getting more.
Where are you getting over? Where are you getting over?
I don't know.
Who are you getting out for? Who are you getting out for? I need more.
Oh, really?
And I'm getting fancy for toilet.
Choiler.
Toilet.
Choiler.
It's toilet. Toilet. It's a toilet.
Hello, toilet.
No.
As soon as I said toilet.
By the way, Tyler has asthma, so you have to carry my pump around. Sit down. Yang. I will buy the way. Your girlfriend is gonna open price, no? For you.
Or even worse, I'll take that.
Come on. Go on.
Palo case.
It's a blanket polo.
Oh.
Come, the foundation is getting dry.
Okay.
Leave it open. We need some fresh air.
We have a window.
Go, the window ain't open. Leave the window. Yeah.
Now your foundation is getting dry.
Foundation. Foundation. Yeah, you know. Go brushing. No brushing, blushing.
Brushing.
Contour. It's primer. Where's primer? You need primer. Ah, sorry. Here's primer.
Yes, sage. Just sage my face here. Good.
The moment of silence. Now, actually, I'm gonna put this on your face. I'm actually gonna put this on your face.
If you.
There's a lotion, no matter. Leah, I'm actually gonna put this on your face.
Okay.
Go sit down!
Girl. Wait. POV that one impatient customer. Wait.
Come in.
Hello.
Hello. Sit down. So,
You must ask me for an accommodation or not. You must give me the menu. Did you forget that? Wait. Okay. There's not a menu.
Freaky. Come.
Eat the menu. I want the Kardashian. You keep doing much? Life of a person that goes to a rough person.
It's okay, that's what you want. Just the menu quickly. Okay, you're done. Just this! This!
I did not ask for it. No, sorry.
I don't care. Where's the brush?